Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. I know it's been a pretty long time since I put out a video, but I thought it would be the perfect time for me to come on and give you guys another cleaning video. This will be a clean, declutter, and pack with me video. So my lease will be ending soon in my current place, and I need to get rid of a lot of things. So I'm starting out in my kids' closet. I'm going to declutter a few things. I'm going to pack up their clothing, and I'm going to be giving away a few items. So if there's something that you're interested in, stay tuned and clean with me in this video. Now this is a shared closet between 3 kids, but it's mainly used by my oldest son, and I also use it for the overflow of medical supply for my youngest son. So the first thing I needed to do was clear out the stuff that was on the floor. My oldest son really just comes in and throws everything on the floor in the closet. So I had to make a pathway to actually get in the closet. So that's what I'm doing now. So once a month I come into the kids' room and I do a really deep clean. The rest of the time they're responsible for cleaning their own room, and the easiest thing for them to do is to, of course, throw everything in the closet and close the closet door. And of course this is the result of that. Also, when my son does his laundry and he doesn't feel like folding the clothes, he'll just stuff the clothes in the corner of the closet. So now that I can finally see the floor of the closet, I'm going to be taking this black drawer out of the closet and decluttering that. I thought this drawer was filled with toys, but it's just filled with a bunch of junk that they're not using. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. The majority of the stuff in the drawer was trash, and the remaining items were placed in a donation box. So here I am just going through all of the stuffed animals that I wanted to get rid of. A lot of the stuffed animals that they have hold sentimental value, so I wanted to keep some of those. I also started this project while they were at school, so they couldn't come behind me and say that they wanted it. So I was able to get rid of a lot of the stuffies that they didn't need. So right now I'm just going through all their clothes to make sure that these are clothes that they can fit, and clothes that they're not wearing or can't fit, I'm just going to get rid of them. And then clothes that they aren't going to wear right now, I'm just going to put those into a trash bag so that it's easy to transport once we start moving. I did leave out a few clothes in the event that we needed to wear something other than everyday clothing. So right now I'm just clearing off the bed, and I'm putting into boxes any of the linen and stuffed animals that we're not going to be using right now, and just going to put them out of the way until we move. I'm done cleaning off the bed, I'm on to the final stage of the room. I saved this corner for last because I knew the majority of this stuff was going to get donated or thrown out. And as you can see, there is a massive hole or crack in the wall. Well, my youngest son decided to kick a soccer ball into the wall. I don't think he did it intentionally, but the room isn't so big and the ball can only go so far before it finally breaks something. And this is just one of those things I'll have to repair before I move out of this apartment so that I can get my deposit back. So here's what the closet looked like before. It wasn't too bad, just a lot of things were on the floor and out of place. And here's what the closet looks like afterwards. I decided not to put any of my oldest son's shoes and clothes inside of bags and boxes because I figured he can do that later on, closer to moving. But I did put the smaller kids' clothes inside of a bag and organize the medical supplies. So as you can see now, we can actually walk inside of the closet and get to what we're looking for. And I did end up donating a box of toys, a basket of toys. I didn't get a chance to organize the toys on the shelf, but I will do that later on closer to the moving day. And also my oldest son needed to come home and straighten up his area and make up his bed. But this was the final result for the cleaning and decluttering for that day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If this video gave you a little inspiration, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.